I'm running a small beauty brand, and I'm worried the mold cost is too high. It feels like a heavy budget right from the start.
You don't need to stress about that. We can tweak an existing structure. No new mold, you still get a different look with much lower cost.
But I don't know design. I've looked at dozens of eyeshadow palettes, and nothing feels right.
You don't need to design. Give me the direction, and I break it into 3 clear structure options. You just pick one.
I don't even dare contact random factories. They always ask, show me your design. I don't even know what's possible structurally.
We work differently. You send me 3 reference images, we study the structure, tell you what's doable, and give you several options to choose from.
I worry the final palette won't look good, or it'll look like everything else on the market.
We avoid that by using experience from brands like your competitors. We skip the common shells and stay off the same look track.
What's your name?
Our name is EZRA. We are a professional mold manufacturing and injection molding company.